Hello there, I'm Evelyn. This morning, as I sat in my small garden in Connecticut, watching the early dew cling to the rose petals, I realized that I've crossed the threshold of 50 without even noticing it. At this age, we might look in the mirror and see wrinkles, but I hope you also see a lifetime of experience and wisdom reflected there. However, there is a reality we must face: the weariness of our eyes. Have you ever felt, after an afternoon of reading or hours at the computer, your eyes becoming heavy and blurred as if veiled by a layer of mist? One of my patients, Robert, a retired architect in his 70s, once shared with me, "Evelyn, I'm not afraid of aging. I'm just afraid of not being able to see my grandchildren's smiles clearly anymore." I want you to close your eyes for just a second and imagine this. Your eyes are like a precious camera lens that has worked tirelessly for decades. But between the ages of 50 and 90, the focusing wires grow weary, and the mounting, our cervical spine, begins to stiffen. Today, I invite you into a healing space where we can learn to love our eyes and bodies again through the smallest yet most powerful movements. We begin with exercises of stillness for the eyes. 1. Eye rolls, the dance of flexibility. Imagine a large grandfather clock in front of you. Lift your gaze to 12 o'clock, then slowly move to 1, 2. Go slowly enough to feel every tiny muscle stretching. When you reach 6 o'clock, pause for a beat. Feel that gentle pull at the top of your eyeball. After 10 rounds, reverse it. Don't move your head. Let only your eyes perform this dance. This exercise reperfuses the 6 ocular muscles, keeping them from stiffening as the years go by. It's like oiling a lock that hasn't been used in a long time. 2. Power blinking. Awakening the spring. Do your eyes ever feel gritty? Squeeze your eyes shut for 2 to 3 seconds, tight enough to wrinkle the corners, then pop them wide open. Repeat 10 times. This stimulates oil glands to release a protective film, preventing tears from evaporating. It's the most sustainable cure for dry eyes without relying on artificial drops. 3. Eye writing. The fluidity of the mind. Imagine your nose is a long calligraphy brush. Use your gaze to draw a large, soft, horizontal figure 8 in the air. This exercise trains neuromuscular coordination. It helps your brain and eyes regain their rhythm, which is essential for maintaining balance as you move. 4. The 20-20-20 rule and focus shifting. Hold your thumb 10 inches from your nose. Focus on your fingerprint. Then look at a tree 20 feet away. Hold each for 20 seconds. The lens is like a muscle. Looking into the distance is how you stretch your eyes after they've cramped from looking at close objects. 5. Palming. Healing through warmth. Rub your palms together until they are hot. Cup them over your eyes so total darkness envelops you. Feel the warmth radiating. Absolute darkness helps the retina regenerate pigments. Warmth stimulates circulation, letting your eyes recover as if you've taken a deep nap. Next is the spine, the bridge of life connected to vision. 1. The chin tuck. Sit up straight. Slowly tuck your chin backward as if creating a double chin. You'll feel a stretch at the base of your skull. Hold for 3 to 5 seconds, then relax. Forward head posture compresses neck vessels. This exercise opens the spinal space, ensuring blood flow to the eyes isn't pinched. 2. Chest expansion, embracing oxygen. Interlace your fingers behind your head, opening your elbows wide. As you inhale, push your chest forward and pull your elbows back. Your eyes consume up to 25% of your body's oxygen. When the chest opens, oxygen floods your vessels, revitalizing your vision. 3. Gentle neck swivels and temple massage. Combine slow neck turns with a circular finger massage on your temples. Finally, there are warnings and instructions. Never hold your breath as it increases ocular pressure. If you feel dizzy, stop immediately. Slow is fast, that is our golden rule. My dear friends, how do you feel? Perhaps your shoulders are lighter and your gaze less strained. This journey is a persistent commitment to self-love. Sarah, 85, told me, "Evelyn, the roses are more vibrant." No miracle, just learning to soothe stress so her eyes could rest. Between 50 and 90, we don't need to race time. Just learn to walk more gracefully. It is never too late to start. Tomorrow, take 30 seconds to massage your face and smile at those wrinkles. They are the map markers of your experience. Don't let modern fatigue cloud a loved one's smile or your soul's peace. If this helped, please share it with an old friend. Let's grow old together gracefully and radiantly. Your support keeps me sharing. I am Dr. Evelyn, and I'm here to help you care for the priceless gift of time. Goodbye.